Hi, my loves. Okay, we got our Benevolent box bag. It came in a bag this month. I'm not really sure why, but I don't care for it. It may have something to do with, environmental reasons. I don't know. But for some reason, it didn't feel as special. Is that petty? I don't know. But anyway, if you'd like to see what came in this month's Benevolent bag, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm just going to dump it all out. Alright, as always, we have our card. I will say something in here leaked because the whole bag smells like coconut and the card is a little greasy, but we'll survive it. Alright, so the first we have is the Ardency Inn Americana Custom Coverage Concentrate. When I held that up, I think I have mascara on my fingernail. It says, adds a natural flesh tone to your daily moisturizer, turning it into your own custom liquid foundation, tinted moisturizer, or concealer. While traditional foundations only offer one level of coverage, Americana Custom Coverage Concentrate provides the exact amount of coverage you need where you need it. Okay, we'll test this out. This retails for $38. Next is the Punk Volumizer Mascara. This retails for $24, putting us at $62 value. Define lashes one by one, adding extreme volume and thickness. Instantly create dramatically full and seductive lashes for an audacious false look lash. Let's check out the wand on this. That is some cute packaging. Oh, I like that. It's thick. Kind of impressed with that one. Okay, next up we have Modish Polish Nail Polish. 5 free, vegan friendly, and gluten free. Why does it matter if nail polish is gluten-free? If anyone knows the answer to that, could you put it in the comments below? Modish Polish nail lacquer creams are formulated to be fast-drying, chip-resistant for a slick manicure that sticks around. I wish I had something to test out the color, but it's a... the name of it is called I Don't Give a... But I like it. It's a deep, deep, dark purple. This retails for $12, putting us at a $74 value. Next on, oh, here was the coconut smell. Oh, and it's greasy. And one moment. This is a mess. Alright, this is the, I don't know how you say that, Orglamix. I think they tried to say organics, but put a glam spin on it, so it's Orglamix. Lip scrub in Pina Colada. I don't even think that lid is on good. Oh, it smells just like a pina colada. Enriched with real brown sugar crystals to gently buff away dry flakes as it exfoliates and conditions for smooth finish. The formula nourishes lips with sweet almond oil, while coconut oil provides a long-lasting moisture. This retails for $15 or $14.95, which brings us to what? 40, 50, 74, 84, $89. And our last product is, and this has the coconut oil all over it too. is Scorch Makeup Lip Product. Retails for $19. Scorch ingredients are carefully chosen and reviewed by a pharmacist to ensure our products are high quality and non-toxic. Enriched with vitamins, antioxidants, and natural oils, our products are nourishing and safe to use. That is a very pretty color. Not really one that I would probably wear, but you never know. I might feel a little sassy one day and put it on. Okay, so our retail value for our box, I gotta go through this again. 35, 37, 80. It's almost $100. I'll put the total right here. So for those of you that don't know and haven't watched my other Benevolent box unboxings, I will link them at the end of this video. But Benevolent is a cruelty-free beauty box. You get full-size products that always retails around $100. It has replaced my BoxyCharm. I will say this might be my least favorite box that I have received from them. They're good items, but I have like 4 lip scrubs waiting to be tried out because I don't, lip scrub is like a typical beauty box item. So I have so many lip scrubs. I probably need to give a few away. I am excited to try the nail polish. The lip color is not really my go-to lip color. I'm a nude girl. This is a neat concept. So we'll be doing a first impressions video on this. And I do like the mascara. So not my favorite box, but you know, that's why you get beauty boxes, so you can try out new things. All right, until next time, my loves.